Ever wondered if you could trade Bitcoin and major forex pairs with high leverage on a single platform? Meet PrimeXBT. Today, you're about to discover if PrimeXBT is that hidden gem you've been looking for. Welcome back to BrokerCheck, your trusted channel for transparent and detailed broker reviews. At BrokerCheck, we dig deep so you don't have to. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at PrimeXBT, a global multi-asset trading platform making waves since 2018. Unique to PrimeXBT, Bitcoin, BTC, serves as collateral for margin trading, offering a distinctive trading approach. Remember, if you're looking for even more detailed reviews, head over to BrokerCheck Academy at the link below. Our team has prepared extensive reports to help you make the best decision. Trading instruments. PrimeXBT stands out by offering a diverse range of instruments from one convenient platform. Imagine leveraging your Bitcoin holdings to trade not just cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also diving into major forex pairs, popular commodities like gold and oil, and even global indices. With over 100 tradable assets, PrimeXBT empowers you to diversify your trading strategies effortlessly. Account types. PrimeXBT simplifies things with a single, flexible CFD trading account that grants access to all available instruments: crypto, forex, shares, indices, and commodities. With just one account, you can seamlessly move between markets, all while enjoying tight spreads from 0.10 trading fees on many CFDs, and leverage up to 1000x depending on the asset class. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you can explore markets efficiently with advanced tools, copy trading options, and risk management features. There's also a demo account available to test strategies without risking real funds. Trading platform software. PrimeXBT isn't just versatile with accounts and instruments, it also excels in trading platforms. You can trade directly from your browser with PrimeXBT's intuitive web trader, enhanced with advanced charting by TradingView. Prefer a classic approach? PrimeXBT also offers the renowned MetaTrader 5 platform for those seeking robust analytical tools and automated trading capabilities. On-the-go traders aren't left out either. PrimeXBT's mobile app ensures your trades move with you, keeping markets within your reach 24/7. Deposit and withdrawal methods and fees. Funding your PrimeXBT account is straightforward, with multiple deposit options including bank transfers, credit and debit cards, and cryptocurrencies. The best part? There are no deposit fees. Withdrawals are just as flexible, though processing times and fees depend on your chosen method. Bank transfers, for instance, take longer than crypto transfers. Regulation and security. PrimeXBT takes regulation seriously, holding licenses from multiple international bodies, including the FSC Mauritius, FSCA South Africa, and the Banco Central de Reserva of El Salvador. Although it doesn't fall under EU or UK regulation, its robust security measures, like multi-signature cold storage and advanced encryption, offer a secure environment trusted by traders worldwide. There you have it, a comprehensive look at PrimeXBT. Did this review help you decide if PrimeXBT fits your trading style? Tell us in the comments. Before you go, smash that like button, subscribe to BrokerCheck, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest insights. And don't forget to visit BrokerCheck Academy at the link below for free trading resources and to level up your trading knowledge today.